Hi everybody, this is Danielle from A Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. Great to see you guys here. So today is going to be something a little bit different. It is going to be a, I guess, kind of wrap with me, if you want to call it. I am going to be wrapping one of these gifts, and I'm actually going to be using washi to decorate it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to be using this washi right here. And a couple of these are older. This is from Creating & Co., but this is a couple years old. This is the Coffee Monsters Co. Advent calendar this year. This thinner green book washi is from Creating & Co. This red bow is from So Cute Planner. This is also an older washi from Creating & Co. So is this one, and this one right here is also from the Coffee Monsters Co. Advent calendar. So I am going to be using these, and I'm going to pull in one Simply Gilded bow, and I am going to be kind of decorating this gift. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wrap this, and of course when I pre-cut this sheet of paper, just like it always goes, I actually made it a tad too small. So I'm going to have to add in a piece of paper right here. This is just brown craft paper that I found at Walmart for like, I think it was $4 for this roll, but it's pretty simple to use, and then it's like a blank canvas to be able to add in whatever you want to it. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up really quick, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have this guy wrapped, I have this big blank canvas. So my idea, I did this a couple years ago, and I really liked how it turned out, is I made a Christmas tree out of washi. So I'm going to do the different layers with the washi, and then I actually think I'm going to kind of make it into like a present type ribbon type situation, and in the corners run this washi right here. This is the Buffalo Plaid 10mm from Simply Gilded, and then just do it across here for some added decoration. So I'm going to start with this green washi, and I kind of had to figure out where the beginning is of the roll. So I said this roll is a couple years old, from Creating & Co., and I loved this washi. I thought it was so fun. So I got to figure out how big I want to do this. So I think I'm going to go and start it, let's think, maybe up a little bit higher. And let's try to center it a little bit. I'm going to come in with this bookmark right here as my straight edge. And I'm going to hold it here, and I'm going to rip the washi against it, and just like that, it's pretty simple and easy to just kind of rip the washi with it. So then I'm going to do this Coffee Monsters Co. washi. I have not used this. Okay, there we go. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to kind of add that effect of the tree getting skinnier as you go up. So if I put that there, and then I bring it in maybe this far, and I rip it there. There we go. So this is just kind of a fun way to add a little bit of decoration. Use some of the washi that you have in your collection. I pulled some reds and greens from my collection, but honestly, you can really pull anything you want. If you don't have a whole lot of reds and greens, then that one was too far in, I think. If you don't have a whole lot of reds and greens, pull in some blues. I mean, kind of do whatever you want. You could do a snowflake. on some craft paper. You could do, I mean, you could use regular paper and do something. I just chose the brown craft paper because I like how it looks in the background of it. So this washi from So Cute Planner has also never been used before, so it has this like tape on it to keep it down. So just pull that up. This washi from So Cute Planner is a little bit different. It's kind of got more of a grippiness to it, I guess you could say. Also, I think I may have made this a little lopsided, but you know what? It will be okay. But I definitely could have made it like fatter for longer and then started making it skinny. And if I end up, oh, I don't like how that pulls up at the end. So if I end up needing more washi and I run out of the patterns that I have, I can always repeat them, which is pretty cool. So then pull this guy. I like how it's looking. And then this red, it looks like I might need to repeat a washi or maybe find another washi. I try my best in between the layers to keep the same amount of space. If I can't do it, then that's fine. But if I can, it would be great. Yeah, mine's a little lopsided. That's okay. It makes it more unique. So then I'm going to pull in this 10 millimeter from the Coffee Monsters cone and use this to do that. So then that actually is the end of what I was planning on using. However, let me pull these to the side that I used already. I actually have a couple spares that I thought maybe I didn't need. So which one have I not used? What I might do, I might pull in this buffalo plaid because I really want to kind of bring it to a point as best I can. So let's do that. Let's use the buffalo plaid. Oh, that wasn't super straight. And then maybe one more layer, and I think I'm going to pull in this other washi that I had right here. And like I said, I could have repeated the plaid that I had, or the pattern that I had. But if I have extras, why not use them? So, maybe one more? I feel like I don't like how that looks. Sorry guys, I'm going to redo this one and maybe make it a little bit thinner. I don't even know if I really did that much. This might be the exact same size. It probably is. Okay, so the last one I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pull in a 5 millimeter washi from Simply Gilded just to add a little bit more red to it and kind of bring it more to a point because I want to. So there's that red, and then I'm going to pull it in a little bit more over here. There we go. Okay, that's better. So then up here, I really want to do some kind of star, but I wasn't really quite sure how to make the star. So I have this red washi, and in this red washi, it has this gold. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to rip this part off and trash it, and rip this part off and trash it. So then I'm just going to work with this gold part, and I'm actually going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw out a star on it. I'm so bad at stars, like so bad. I'm just going to draw it out and then I'm going to cut it, and hopefully this works. So my star is a little funky, but that's okay. So I'm going to put my star right at the top there. It's a little hard to see. I don't even know if you can see it with my lighting because it's on the background. And I'm also going to take, I have a little bit left over from here, and I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to make the base of the tree. Just a little base for the stem. This could be done, again, with any washi that you have. If you have like a white washi, or you have a, is that base too small? The good thing about washi is that it comes up pretty easily. I actually don't like how big this bottom layer is. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to rip some of it off to make it a little bit more, uniform. Let's see if I can do this side just as well. Better. Oh, so much better. Okay, so like I said, if you have any color washi just to use for the base, you can use whatever you want. So that is the tree. Love how it turned out. I'm actually going to then take this buffalo plaid. It's not completely centered on here, but that's okay. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to take this buffalo plaid washi, and I'm going to kind of put it in the corners to make it look like it's almost like wrapped in ribbon. And then I'm going to take this right along the side and rip it so it looks like it's stopped there. And then I'm also going to do the same on this side and rip it. Perfect. I love how that looks. And then I'm going to do the same in this upper right hand corner. Now I gotta figure out if I can make it parallel. So let's try to follow this up with the angle like this. And then do the same thing. I will just, oh, hopefully I can just, oh, darn. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut that with scissors because it didn't rip the way I wanted it to. You can use scissors, you can use a straight edge with this, whatever works best for you. Because that definitely didn't work this way either. Oh, there we go. Got it. So that worked, but then the other one didn't, so I'm just going to come in with a piece of, with a scissors and chop it off. Pull it up a little bit and chop it straight. There we go. And I think that's actually all I'm going to do with this one. It is super easy, super quick. It took me a little bit of extra time because I haven't done it in a while. But I'm actually going to do some other kind of designs and such. Maybe not with the red and green. I might pull in like some blues and do like a snowflake on one. I'm not really quite sure. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick fun thing that you could do with washi in the holiday season to help wrap your presents. I will have some other washi projects for things that you can do around your house to kind of decorate or to use your washi. If your washi just tends to sit there and you don't really know what to do with it besides put it in your planner, there are lots of fun things that you can do with washi. And so I will do kind of a little mini series, some quick videos on things that you can do with your washi other than planning. So let me know if that would be something that you'd be interested in. I know that I have a whole thing of washi that tends to just sit here, so I like finding fun ways to do different things with it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.